What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, bringing you guys this video on my camera. Hopefully I don't mess up because I don't want to edit this video. But in today's video, I'm going to talk about why you should be a crypto content creator, whether on YouTube, TikTok, wherever. I'm going to talk about why you should look into this if, number one, you have interest in crypto, which if you're, subscribed to my YouTube channel and you watch my videos, I'm guessing you do. Okay, and the second part is if you have time on your hands to have like a side hustle, which this side hustle is not going to really feel like a hustle because you already have interest in crypto, so it's going to feel like a hobby. But I'm going to tell you the main reasons why you should take this seriously, becoming a crypto content creator, especially right now. We are still coming out of a bear market, I would say. Everything is low, all the views are low on my channel, everyone's channels that are in crypto. And this is a great thing. This is not a bad thing. This is a great thing because you want to be a crypto content creator before views and a lot of people start coming in and watching videos, right? Because this gives you time to get experience, get your videos out there, experiment, right? And the number one reason why, guys, is crypto is such a new niche. There's not a lot of supply. Right, there's this thing about supply and demand. Right now, the demand is not so high for crypto videos. That's why the views are low. Right, there's not a huge. The only people that are watching crypto videos today are people that actually like crypto and not just in it for the money. So the demand is not there. But what you guys got to understand is that this is normal in the bear market. The demand is not going to be there in the bear market. But once the bull market comes, or as we rise towards the bull market, a lot of people are going to be getting a lot of views that are in crypto, finances, and all these things. But the crypto niche is interesting because it's a niche within the finance niche. And just so you know, the finance niche is probably the highest paying niche in YouTube. And you guys can understand YouTube videos, like every YouTube channel has a certain category. Based on the channel, they get paid more or less based on that category of how much it's worth. And what determines how much it's worth is how much advertisers pay to have their ads on your video based on the category. And just so you guys know, finances, right, whether stock market, any type of thing regarding finances, including crypto, it's one of the highest paid CPMs on YouTube compared to something like I don't know, it's a small CPM, maybe fishing or something, you know what I mean, something like that's not as popular or as high paying. But this is a great thing because you will get paid more for less views versus someone that is in some other niche who has way more views than you, and they might be getting paid the same. So if you are successful in this niche and you do get a lot of views, you're gonna get paid a lot of money. And regarding supply, I would say there's not a lot of supply. It feels like there are a lot of crypto YouTube channels already, but what you guys got to understand is that a lot of these channels stopped making videos. A lot of them quit, and a lot of them just maybe record less, right? So this adds less supply, especially since there's less demand for crypto videos. So if you are smart and you actually like crypto and you believe that it's going to be popular in the future and there's going to be a bull run, you would become a crypto content creator today while the supply is low and the demand is low. So once the demand picks up, you're going to be one of the first ones out there to be, viewed by, people that are looking for crypto videos. Another thing too, guys, is the fact that just because it's crypto doesn't mean you have to be one certain style. Like, for example, I'm a crypto content creator, but I focus mainly on trading, on technical analysis. But sometimes I do videos regarding altcoins and the wealth transfer. And you don't have to just stay with one thing within that niche, right? You can be a crypto content creator and maybe just focus on a certain coin, right? There's plenty of people out there that just have XRP channels or Cardano channels, right? Or you could just be someone who just talks about crypto news. You can basically pick whatever you're comfortable with. And if I was starting now, what I would personally do is start on YouTube, making videos just like this. One thing that you guys gotta remember when you're starting is do not be a perfectionist. This is gonna stop you from, number one, getting a lot of videos out there, which is gonna stop you from getting discovered, right? The more videos you have, the more discoverable you are. What I would do is I would just get as much content out there, even if it's just low quality, right? And then as you get better and better, you make editing a lot faster, and then over time your quality is gonna pick up. But you want to get more content out there so people can find you easier. And just remember, some of the biggest crypto YouTubers started from a bear market where there was barely no demand, like BitBoy Crypto, right? BitBoy, I think, started back in 2018. There wasn't a lot of demand because, it was during the bear market. But he kept grinding, he kept, working hard, making content, which you guys should if you guys are looking to do this. And then as it picked up into the next bull run, he had a huge channel. So the play is work hard right now, get your content out, and I would say, like I said, start on YouTube and then get to TikTok. I would say second place, because TikTok is amazing because the algorithm on TikTok lets you be way more discoverable than on YouTube. So what I like to do is I like to kill two birds with one stone. So when I live stream on YouTube, I also live stream on TikTok at the same time. And on top of that, when I make a TikTok, I download that TikTok without the watermark and I post it on my YouTube Shorts, which right now YouTube is monetizing. Before, YouTube did not monetize Shorts, now they are. So this is huge because if you're getting a lot of views on your YouTube Shorts, it's gonna be great for your monetization. But regarding monetization, when you guys are just starting, do not focus on that. Do not focus even on views. Focus on just being yourself, talking about crypto. And you guys gotta understand, like I said, do not be a perfectionist. Just simply getting on a camera and being authentic is so huge, and just it's so in demand. Like, you might not think about it, but finding content creators out there that are authentic versus like this AI, there's like so many AI videos out there. Like, people don't want to see those AI videos, right? They want to see someone that's authentic, that has personality, even if they might not agree with them, or you don't want to be a perfectionist and think too much about, like, oh, is my tone of voice right? Oh, the way that I look and all these things. You don't want to focus on that. You just want to focus on being authentic and talking about crypto and all these things. So, but yeah, those are my reasons. Guys, take this very seriously, because you can really get a big channel and actually make a decent amount, especially in the next bull market when there's a lot of demand for these videos and you'll be getting a lot of views. So take this seriously if you, number one, are into crypto, and number two, have time to make crypto videos and content. If you guys got more questions, leave it in the comments below. And if you guys want to work with me, contact me, you guys can join my Patreon, where you guys can message me privately and DM me. But thank you guys so much for watching. God bless all you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.